Withdrawing Bitcoin to your own wallet is simple, but only if you do it safely. A withdrawal is an on-chain send. Once it's confirmed by the network, it's usually final. There's no customer support line to call. The goal is simple: to move Bitcoin from an exchange, where you're trusting a company, to a wallet where you and only you control the keys. Here's the safe checklist. Follow this 6-step process and you'll avoid 99% of beginner mistakes. 1. Choose your wallet. 2. Confirm the network. 3. Copy your address safely. 4. Do an optional test send. 5. Understand fees and confirmations. And 6. Verify in your wallet. First, your wallet. You have two main types. Hot wallets, like phone apps, are convenient. They're connected to the internet, which is great for quick access, but it also makes them a target for online threats like malware or phishing. Think of it as the cash you carry in your pocket. Then you have cold wallets, or hardware wallets. These are physical devices that keep your keys completely offline, making them incredibly secure against online attacks. They're like your personal vault. For today's withdrawal, both types work perfectly fine. They both give you a receive address. So, step 1, open your wallet, whatever type it is, and tap Receive. You'll see a QR code and a long string of letters and numbers. That string is your Bitcoin address. Now, don't panic if that address looks a little different from one you've seen before. Some start with BC1, some with a 3, others with a 1.
That's normal. It just indicates a different address format. What truly matters isn't the starting character, but two things: using the correct network and using the entire correct address. Which brings us to step 2, and this is critical: confirm the network. On the exchange's withdrawal page, you must select the Bitcoin network, often just labeled BTC. If you accidentally select another network, like the Binance Smart Chain or Ethereum, your Bitcoin could be lost forever. It's like mailing a package to the right street address, but in the wrong country. It's not going to get there. Always, always select BTC. Next, getting that address from your wallet to the exchange. Never, ever type a Bitcoin address by hand. It's a recipe for a typo and lost funds. Instead, use the copy button in your wallet app. Then, for step 3, paste it into the withdrawal field on the exchange. But don't stop there. Go back to your wallet and verify the first 4 characters and the last 4 characters. This quick check protects you from clipboard hijacking malware that can secretly replace the address you copied with a scammer's address. First 4, last 4. Make sure they match. A quick pro tip: if your exchange offers an address book or whitelisting feature, use it. This lets you save and label your verified wallet address. Often there's a security delay, like 24 hours, before you can send to a new whitelisted address, which is a great feature that prevents thieves from quickly draining your account. Step 4 is optional, but highly recommended for your first time or for a large amount: the test send. Send a very small amount of Bitcoin first. Wait for it to arrive safely in your wallet. Once you see it there, you can proceed with confidence and send the rest of the amount. Now let's talk about fees. When you withdraw, you'll see an option for a network fee. Fees don't make the transaction safer, they buy speed. You are essentially bidding for a spot in the next block of transactions.
When the network is busy, a higher fee tells miners to prioritize your transaction. Most exchanges offer a few options: slow, standard, or fast. A lower fee is fine if you're not in a hurry, but a higher fee gets it pushed through more quickly. After you send, you'll wait for confirmations. When the transaction first appears in your wallet, it has 0 confirmations. Once it's included in a block on the blockchain, it has 1 confirmation. Each new block added after that is another confirmation. More confirmations mean the transaction is more final and irreversible. You can track this yourself. The exchange will give you a transaction ID, or TXID. You can copy this ID and paste it into a public blockchain explorer, like mempool.space, to see its status in real time. This is the best practice. Match the transaction ID from the exchange with what your wallet is showing. So, to recap before the final click, you're on the review screen. Do the final triple check. Is the network correct? Bitcoin. Is the address correct? You've checked the first and last 4 characters. Is the amount correct? Good. Hit withdraw. You'll see the status change from pending to broadcast to eventually confirmed. Most problems people have come from the same 4 simple mistakes: choosing the wrong network, trying to type an address manually, sending to an old address from a screenshot, and simply rushing without doing a test send.
Avoid these, and you're safe. Think of it this way. Bitcoin is like granite, solid, final, and it follows a strict set of rules. The apps and exchanges are like clay, helpful tools, but they are not the source of truth. The blockchain is. Use the checklist, be methodical, and your withdrawals will become boring. And when it comes to your money, boring is a very good thing.